Getting ready to check out. Grabe, ang sarap ng staycation namin. Sarap ng tulog namin dito sa YY City Garden Hotel sa may Arayat Pampanga. Guys, I wanna show you more about this hotel. Samahan niyo po ako. Let's go! So this is our room. Hi guys. Hello. This is our room. It has 2 beds. The first one is actually huge. Malaki siya. Oh, tapos the other one is for single. Oh, si Isa daw dun siya. Iced tea. Oh, welcome drink. So this is the room. And big enough actually. Where you put your luggage. So, someone's calling. Got a complimentary wine. Thanks so much, YY. I think we're gonna have a good sleep after this. Right, Mom?
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, YY.
Welcome to my house.
Is this your place? Be careful for this glass. Okay, let's see the. I have actually. Ooh, this is the bathroom. Hi. Toilet bowl, and then you got your enclosed shower.
So, bali, sinerve mi po ito pong bestsellers mi po. Ini po assorted din sa platter. Lahat na po andyan. Like hakaw, shrimp siomai, kutsay dumpling, shark fin, beef ball, saka fried spring roll po.
Okay.
Xiaolong bao, chicken feet, asado siopaw. Then ito po mixed seafood sinapat. Tapos
Sarap.
po din. Yes. Then this one beef broccoli. Yang chow fried rice. Tapos crispy fried noodles, spare ribs with salt and pepper.
Yes.
Saka crispy fried chicken.
Full fried chicken. Yes.
Yes. Enjoy your food po.
We will. Thank you.
Ma'am, sige na.
Ay, okay lang po. Para for you
Ma'am
po talaga.
Jenny.
Yes. Bye!
No Christmas.
Guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa 4th floor kung saan nandito ang kanilang pinaka-function hall or actually multi-purpose room, no? Sa laki nito, guys, I think it can accommodate around 500 people. Ang laki nito, oh. So, mga conferences, occasions, events, ganyan, pwedeng-pwede ito, no? Convention, pwedeng-pwede ito. So, if you're from Santa Ana, Arayat, or even Mexico, Magalang, ganyan, yeah, no need to go as well if you are looking for these kinds of events place. Yun. Actually, dedicated for KTV, KTV Room, actually. Ayan, no? So, this is separately rented dito po sa hotel, dito sa YY. Kung gusto nyo pong gamitin ng KTV, it's just 1,500 pesos. Good for 3 hours. So, that is around 500 pesos per hour. Pero minimum tayo ng 3 hours. And then, meron po tayong choice of drinks. Tama po ba?
May guest tayo dyan.
Oh, may guest tayo dito. And sila po ang... actually, silang Birit Queen ng YY City Garden Hotel. Ito po sila. Hi!
Hi po!
Ayun sila. Oh! Actually, yung dinner naman natin was brought to us by David's Tea House.
Now, ito yung official restaurant dito sa YY City Garden, and here are their details. So, they actually offer delivery. They are also available sa Food Panda and Food Bites Arayat. Official fan page is David's Tea House Arayat. Go check them out if you're looking for authentic Chinese dishes dito po sa Arayat Pampanga. Go check them out, David's Tea House. Alright, so that was it. That was our staycation dito po sa YY City Garden Hotel. Thank you so much for inviting us. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure to check out YY City Garden Hotel dito po sa may Arayat Pampanga. Thank you, YY!
Money, money!
Peace out, guys. Bye!